You ever wonder what it's really like on a sea day aboard a megaship? Is it too crowded with all the thousands of guests on board? Well, today we're going to take you through the chaos of life at sea on a beautiful sea day and give you some pro tips on how to navigate the crowds with lesser-known events, activities, and specialty dining. Let's dive in. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the World America. Today's a sea day, and we are heading to the Tour de Brunch for Madison's favorite, strawberry shortcake. She doesn't even want the food, she just wants the dessert. The goal today is to do some duck hunting. We are repping our new attire from Navigo Ergo Sum Tees on Etsy. It's a good friend of ours of the channel. Madison is repping their duck tee, so we have a Carpe Ducks, and today's goal is to seize the ducks, and of course I have the I Heart Cruising shirt on. So if you want to check out, I will leave a link to his website down below, Navigo Ergo Sum Tees on Etsy. Go get yourself a cruising tee. They have a whole bunch of shirts there that you can get. So today's goal is find a duck. So we're going to walk around a little bit here before breakfast, have ourselves a little duck hunt. You know, with a ship capacity of over 6,700 people and it being a sea day, you would think that there's actually more people out, but being that it's a little bit on the early side, about 8 o'clock, there was not a soul to be seen on the World Promenade. So we did our darndest to find some ducks, to unfortunately no avail, but after all that duck hunting, it was time for breakfast, so let's go grab some grub. Okay, we have made it here for Tour de Brunch. I will throw the menu up here so you can check it out. It is the same menu as the sea day the other day, which is cool. Don't forget to bring your own coffee creamer. MSC has pretty good coffee as far as coffee goes.
Also bring a duck.
And also bring your duckies that friends give you.
May I please have the egg benedict?
Benedict salmon.
Do you want salmon or do you want ham?
Salmon.
Salmon.
May I please have the yogurt parfait?
Yogurt parfait.
And the strawberry shortcake.
Can I do the eggs benedict with salmon as well? And then if I could also do the shakshuka, and that'll be it for me.
I've read my own thing.
Some extra bacon will be great.
Extra bacon.
Yep. Thank you.
Experience.
Well, after a super delicious breakfast, we headed into the World Theater for the Heroes Tribute. Now, this is something they do on most cruise ships, is salute the men and women of our armed forces and first responders. So they had one of the performers come out and do a guitar rendition of the Star-Spangled Banner, and then they introduced each of the branches individually and invited anyone who is or has served on stage, which there was quite a few. And then we all had cake, which I thought was very interesting. They make the youngest enlisted person serve the first piece of cake to the oldest veteran, which I thought that was very cool, kind of passing the baton. Well, the Heroes Tribute was really cool, and they passed out cake, which was really cool. And what better way to top off some cake than with some gelato? So we are here at the Jean-Philippe chocolate and gelato. We got 2 scoops in 1 cup, pistachio and salted caramel. Gelato is such a creamy flavor, so good. And their chocolate is so good here. This is like one of the perks of being on an MSC ship. This shop. Of course, everything's an upcharge, so it costs more money, but it's worth it. So after the cake and the ice cream, we headed to the arcade to have some fun. We caught some fish, we played some skee ball, we shot some squirrels and some big bucks in Big Buck Hunter. We smashed some clowns, which I didn't realize you're not supposed to smash the red one, so I kept gaining points and then losing points. And then we headed over to Pizza and Burgers, where they have some awesome pinball machines. And of course, while we were there, we got to grab some lunch. And it was delicious. Well, our day of duck hunting has not been very successful. We have received many more ducks than we have found, unfortunately. So I think we're gonna take a break from duck hunting right now.
Yeah, my heels hurt.
Yeah, we've been walking a lot. So she's gonna go to the kids club for a little while.
Thank you.
I did run into Have Luggage Will Travel, which is another YouTube cruise creator. And they are here with Huddle Adventures, another cruise content creator. And so I sat and talked with them for a little bit.
I found one!
What?
Right there!
You found one?
Right there!
Yay!
Captain Doggy!
Alright, went back to the room and dropped off all those little tiny ducks off so I could empty my pockets. I was tired of carrying those ducks around. And charged up cameras. We're heading down to the Dolce Vita bar. There's some sort of social media tech talk or something going down there. So I'm gonna do the tech talk thing, see how it goes. We got about 10 minutes to get down there. So the presentation kind of went over all the different types of social media and some of the tips and tricks to be successful in that. I ended up talking with the presenter afterwards about his job, and it sounded pretty awesome. But now to go pick up Madison from the kids club and head to dinner.
So Daddy picked me up from the kids club. As you see, we're in, Daddy is in his handsome shirt and shorts. I'm in my beautiful puffy dress with this little puffy vest. We are heading to dinner at Paxos. Tonight is white night, so I've got my white dress on my bed, and so we're about to go to dinner. And we're taking you guys with us. We'll see you there.
Wow, that was impressive. Good job, bub. Alright, so we have made it here to Paxos, the Greek tavern on board. And I'm interested to see exactly how this works. It looks like you have, and I'll throw the menu up here so you can see. It looks like you get to choose 2 appetizers, from this selection here. And there's a cold selection and a hot selection. And then you have some entrees, and then you have some desserts. So I'm assuming you pick 2 of the appetizers, 1 entree, and 1 dessert. So do you want chicken, fish, or calamari?
the calamari
Calamari, okay.
and the crispy fries.
And fries, okay. And for your sweet ending,
The orange cake.
Orange cake.
orange cake.
Good job.
Good job.
Say thank you.
Looks very smart, this lady.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so Robert, for you,
If I could do the Greek salad, and I'm gonna do the octopus,
okay.
and then I'll do the lamb chops.
Okay, how you like it done? Medium, medium rare, medium well?
We'll just do medium.
Okay, and for dessert?
The baklava. Perfect. Thank you. Well, we just got back from Paxos. What did you think of dinner?
So it was good. It did get me very, very filled. I found
Yes.
a few ducks on the way
Okay.
back.
That's right. So I will throw a video up here of our final duck tally so far. We are at that many. I had a bit of a scare there. I ran into Dr. E, the cruise director, at one of the shows the other day, and he was inviting me to the Speakeasy. You know, he kind of said, hey, you film, you'd love it, it's great, you should go check it out. So I said, okay, well, Kids Club opens at 7. So why don't we do it? Because he was asking what day I want to go, and I said, okay, let's do it Wednesday. And he said, Wednesday, perfect. What's your room number? I'll get you the reservation. So he got me the hookup. I haven't seen anything about it until literally like just now, as we were about to leave dinner. And so I was like, oh my gosh, 7 o'clock is right now. I mean, it is currently 6:59. And so 20 minutes ago, I was like, oh my God, I got to get her to the Kids Club. Kids Club opens at 7. And my reservation's at 7 floors and the whole ship away. So I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. So then I went up to the Kids Club to see if maybe I could drop her off a little early. Like if there was like a pay to drop off when they're not in session or whatever. And they're not even open. They don't open at 7. So they're closed. They close at 7. So I'm like, I can't do this at all. So I go down to guest services and I say, listen, I just got invited to the Speakeasy and I got a kid who can't go to the Speakeasy and has no one else to watch her because it's just me and her on this ship. What do I do? And so she was gracious. She was able to call them and make a reservation for tomorrow at 9. And when I went to the Kids Club and talked to them, when I found out they were closed, they said tomorrow they'll be open all day till, 11 or something like that, 7 to 11. So that's going to work out for tomorrow. I'm interested in doing it. I'll do the experience, and I hope that I'll do it for you, do it for the vlog, do it for Vine, kind of thing. So we'll see about that. But tonight is the white party, and so everyone is walking around in all white apparel. I'm currently not in all white apparel because I didn't want to get lamb chop juice on my white apparel. So we're gonna chill here in the room for just a little bit, and then I think the white party starts at 9:30, so at least it's not super late like some of the other parties have been. And then we'll go check that out in a little bit. We're all decked out in our white party outfit, so let's go to the white party. It is 9 o'clock, way past our bedtime. Let's do it to it. What you think? Got our fits, huh? Check out the fit. Nice. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white Vans. We just danced our butts off. I wish someone could have been filming us because we were rocking center stage. We were right there. No one else was hanging out with us because no one can keep up with us. Isn't that right, dude? We're in a league of our own. All right, so we are at Pizza and Burgers. It's the only thing that's open right now. So grab a quick bite and then back to the room. So at the end of our hallway is a floor-to-ceiling window. And it looks like, because it's at an angle with the back of the ship, it looks like, because it's reflecting the ceiling, it looks like the hallway continues at a very steep decline. Check this out. Like finally when you come up to it, you can see your reflection, but for a second there, it looks like you're just falling. Well, that's everything I got for you today. My name's Rob with You Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there.
If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. I post new cruising videos every week.